20 million people in the city of Karbala at the shrine of Imam al-Hussein. All of them are fed, all of them are taken care of, all of them sleep peacefully at night. You don't see fights break out. Why? Because it was the love of Imam al-Hussein. It is the love of Imam al-Hussein that does magic, that's brought millions of people together all around the world. In a night like this, millions of people are sitting and commemorating Imam al-Hussein. This is the best of communities, when you come together on the banner, under the banner of the Ahl al-Bayt. I help you not because of who you are,